Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So when you click on me, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click here on settings here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to play on cellular network. You just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean play on cellular network disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.